Hey guys, it's Kate. Today I am opening the Trixie versus Katya launch from Trixie Cosmetics. I have done several Trixie Cosmetics unboxings, so if you're curious at all about previous makeup products or just my thoughts on the company in general, I'll leave the playlist down below. But we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. So of course we've got the package that has the Trixie T logo on the tape. And when the box is open, see if I can like push back these panels and show you guys. This is what the interior looks like. So cute. So we have the card that shows Trixie and Katya, and the back says, "Get your floor and makeup routine performance ready with this curated competition playlist." And their Instagram and Twitter is Trixie Cosmetics, their YouTube is Trixie Mattel, and the website is trixiecosmetics.com. And there is the QR code for the playlist. I am definitely going to be sharing this with my husband because we are going on a trip to Hilton Head Resort, and he already put together a playlist for the drive, so I would be curious to see if he wants to add any of these songs to that. Super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the socks first, since that's the first thing I'm seeing on the side. This is the apparel item that I got for myself, and it is the Trixie and Katya team socks, just because I thought these would be really cute to wear doing any of my workouts at home, or if we go out running. Oh, let me show you the wrapper before I take it off. So there's Trixie and Katya. So the Katya team colors are very much the red and gold, with the Trixies being kind of the pastel rainbow, pink, yellow, blue, and teal. Here is what the socks look like. These are precious. Oh my gosh. So cute. And they definitely look pretty large. Like, I think these are unisex, maybe even more so for people with larger feet. So definitely will fit my husband. I know he was excited about the Katya ones, but I think that I should still be able to wear them. So very excited about those. So cute. All right, moving some of the tissue paper. I'll show the next apparel item. It was down here at the bottom. It was the Team Katya shirt. Loud packaging. Sorry. I did not pick up the Trixie shirt for myself, only because the ringer style tees are not my favorite tees on me personally. Otherwise, I would have picked that up so I could match Abel, but he definitely wanted the Katya one, so here it is. It is just plain white with the red ringer style, or the red trim, on the sleeve and the neck. And then it has Katya doing a handstand and a spread eagle. And then on the side it says Team Katya on the sleeve. Super cute. Love that. And if I can go back on the website or look back through my order, I'll have up prices for the items as I'm showing them, because I do not see an order slip in here. So I don't know how much it was. All right. And then I'm assuming we have the Trixie and Katya palettes just based on the colors of the tissue paper, but it might be presumptuous to say that. I could be wrong. Yeah, I wasn't wrong. Okay. So we'll go ahead and do Trixie first. Comes in bubble wrap to make sure everything is secure in travel. And here is what the box looks like. This is the Team Trixie 12 pan shadow and pressed pigment palette. And on the back it includes all of the ingredient information. I don't believe any of the shadows, I think they're all vegan. I don't think there's any warning labels for any of the colors. So pretty. Her palettes are huge, which is really nice. You have a huge pan to pull pigment from. So we've got Game Face, Get a Grip, Spirit Fingers, Heavy Metal, Perfect 10, and Pose. Bartender, Stick It, Take the Cake, Champ, Flipping Out, and Showtime. Stunning. All right, let's look at the Katya one. These colors are so pretty. The pinks especially, the pinks in the left corner. Stunning. Perfect for springtime. Whereas I feel like the Katya palette is going to be more so fall colors. Eee! Okay, so here is the box. Team Katya 12 pan shadow and pressed pigment palette. And again, the back with the ingredient information. Because these colors are significantly darker, the blacks and reds, all of the information is printed on there very small. So if you're curious and need to read through those for any reason, you definitely gotta look a little closer there. Oh yes, much darker. So this will be interesting for me to play with, as I feel like I'm a little shy towards those darker colors. But you have Warm Up, Rigged, Laid Out, Chalk It Up, Shiposhnikova, I'm sure I said that wrong, Underscored, Goat, or Greatest of All Time, Amplitude, Plank, Dismount, Yurchenko, I'm sure I said that wrong, and Flip Flop. But definitely, again, the purples are stunning. And these colors, the blue, are definitely very true to Katya. She wears the red lip and her blue eyeshadow. But these ones I think are just so beautiful for fall. So, oh my gosh, I am so excited about everything. I cannot wait to dive into these palettes and play with them. I've really been having a lot of fun playing with my Plant Gay palette for Mardi Gras because it is all greens and Mardi Gras colors are yellow, green, and purple. So that's been really fun. I'm gonna go ahead and do swatches on my arms and insert those clips, and then I will be right back. Okay, so that is everything that I got from the Trixie versus Katya collaboration. I absolutely love it. I'm so excited to play with all of the colors. If you guys have purchased anything from Trixie Cosmetics, I would love to hear what you've purchased and your thoughts. As I said, I've done a ton of videos of unboxings, so I'll leave all of that down below. I'm fairly certain I own every single eye and cheek palette that she has released. So I'm just going to continue to keep supporting because I love it. So if you guys enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!